Good morning, it's Friday, December 7th. I'm Richie Z.
Good morning, I'm Jordan McNeely, and the JHS Report is next. There will be a blood drive to help the victims of Hurricane Sandy today here at Jeff High. If you are 17 or older, come to the health office before school or during lunch to sign up. All donors will be automatically entered into a drawing for prizes. Give blood, change your life, and be proud.
The JHS Student Art Show will be held today through the 13th in the JHS Media Center. Come out and support the artists here at Jeff High School.
The Media Center is closed today for testing. Students will not be allowed in the Media Center today. Thank you. There will be a Spanish-English holiday story hour at the Clarksville Library at 10:30 a.m. this Saturday. Everyone is welcome to attend.
Mr. Bowen will have after-school tutoring for math on Mondays from 2:30 to 3:30 in room D217.
Freshmen, this is a reminder to begin your online health class before it is too late. The class has to be completed before the end of the school year. If you do not know how to log in or need information on this, you can see Mrs. Bradley in the gym before school, after school, or during your lunches.
The next Fashion Club meeting will be held Wednesday right after school in room F139, Miss Anderson's room, from 2:30 to 4:30.
Seniors, if you plan to purchase a senior ad for the yearbook, the deadline is fast approaching. Please submit by Friday, December 14th.
The JHS Report is happy to air your announcement. Have a teacher or staff member email the announcement to Mr. Gross, and we will do our best to make sure that announcement gets on the air.
We will have the JHS weather forecast plus your latest Jeff High sports after the break.
Hungry? Why not try Moby Dick Seafood? Voted #1 for seafood in Clark County. We serve high-quality cod, sliced and breaded daily. Delicious onion rings, sliced and breaded daily. Located at 1700 10th Street in Jeffersonville. Open till 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, 10 p.m. Friday and Saturday, and 8 p.m. on Sunday. Stop by and enjoy our box for 2 or more for just $15.49. Or enjoy a whale of a sandwich.
Good morning, I'm Christina Russ with a look at today's JHS weather forecast. Today, cloudy with scattered showers, high 58. Tonight, showers continue, low 55. Tomorrow, showers continue with a high of 60. That's a look at your JHS weather forecast. Here now, here's a look at sports with Adam Ellis.
Good morning, I'm Adam Ellis with the latest Jeff High sports. The New Albany girls swimming team defeated the Red Devils 104-82. Jeff had 2 first-place finishes, Alexa Waldrop in diving and Carly Dempsey in the 100 butterfly. In the boys' meet, the Red Devils won all 12 events to down the Bulldogs 151-33. Jeff's T. Martin won the 200 IM and 500 freestyle while helping the 200 medley relay and 400 free relay teams prevail. Evan Shive was first in the 100 butterfly and 100 backstroke and joined Martin on the victorious 200 medley and 400 free relay squads. Carol Schmuck and Zach Griffiths swam on the 400 free relay team, while Max Wiedekamp and Alec McAtee were on the 200 medley relay squad. Schmuck won the 50 and 100 freestyles. Damian Hazel finished first in diving. Red Devil Zach Daly won the 100 breaststroke, and Evan Lopez prevailed in the 200 freestyle. Daly, Lopez, Lucas Hennigan, and Cameron Simcoe made up Jeff's victorious 200 free relay squad. The Red Devils girls basketball team lost at Sacred Heart on Thursday, 64-43. Sacred Heart is the 10th ranked team in Kentucky. Haley Vogan led the Red Devils with 14 points and 9 rebounds. Teammate Taylor Sykes chipped in 6 points as Jeff extended its losing streak to 4 games. Jeff, now 2-4, hosts Columbus East Saturday. Football weightlifting will be held on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2:45 to 4 every week through the month of May. Girls track conditioning continues on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3 to 5 after school. You must have a valid physical. Please see Miss Hurd for details. That's a look at sports. Stay tuned. A final word from the newsroom is next.
Would you like to do a special something for a friend for their birthday? You can with a WJHS birthday greeting. It's very simple. Bring 6 pictures and $5 to WJHS room H130 and we'll help you say happy birthday. That's the latest Jeff High news. We hope you have a great day. I'm Jordan McNeely.
And I'm Richie Z. And thank you for watching the JHS Report.